Hey, this is James, and today I'm going to show you how to create list videos, which is perfect for driving traffic to your YouTube channel. And we're starting right now. Cue the intro. What do BuzzFeed, WatchMojo, and Screen Rant have in common? If you guess list videos, then you'd be correct. Then no joke. People's attention spans are getting shorter, and most of them don't have time to read a long-winded article on the internet. List videos are easy to digest, which results in more people consuming them. As a species, we're also hardwired to complete things, so numbered lists gives you the best chance of getting someone to consume your content from beginning to end. Your standard list video is made up of 4 parts: a title, introduction, bulleted list, and call to action. Your title should be short and sweet and include a number at the beginning. It's also a good idea to communicate a clear benefit and should sound interesting or useful. Here are a few quick examples. 5 simple kitchen storage solutions that are borderline genius. 5 plumbing fixes you can do at home. 5 most common mistakes homeowners make when renovating. 5 questions you need to ask when choosing a college. 5 weird tricks electricians use to save energy and money. Next, we have the introduction. The goal of the introduction is to briefly introduce a topic and talk about the criteria used for the items on the list. It should be no longer than 1 to 3 paragraphs. Here's an example of an intro. Did you know that the average adult spends more than 3 years of their life in the kitchen? With so much time spent in this culinary workshop, you'd expect it to function like a well-oiled machine. However, with most kitchens being so poorly optimized, the reality for most people is that preparing a meal can feel more like a tiresome game of Tetris as you juggle pots and pans, appliances and groceries that ooze from every cupboard. So in this video, we'll show you 5 incredibly simple kitchen hacks you can apply to your house to better use the space you have and transform your kitchen from a place you dread into a well-organized creative studio fit for a chef. The next part of our video list is the actual list itself. Ideally, it should be anywhere from 3 to 10 items. Each list item should follow a 2-part formula. First, state what it is, then provide some commentary on the list item. This could be one of several things: interesting facts, things people don't commonly know, the answer to a question, the solution to a problem, or simply your personal opinion. All of these are proven to work well. After you've gone through each list item, it's time to write your call to action. All you have to do is tell them where you want them to go next. At the very least, you should ask your viewers to like, thumbs up, or comment on your video. One of the best ways to get viewers to comment is to ask them a question relevant to your video and have them leave their answer as a comment. You can also suggest watching other videos or visiting your website if you have one. And just like that, you've created a script for list videos. From there, you have the option of creating a talking head video, or you can create a presentation like the one you're watching now. Stay tuned next week where we'll introduce how to create a curated video newsletter. As a special thank you for watching this video to the very end, I'm going to give you a PDF worksheet that walks you step by step on how to create a list video. Go to jameswrittenhouse.com/LV sheet, enter your email, and download your free copy. If you're watching this on YouTube, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can be part of the notification squad as soon as the next video drops. If you're watching this on Facebook, please like and share this video so other people can get value from it. This is James Writtenhouse signing off. Thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you next time. Peace.